Now the next is what happens after implantation. Immediately after implantation, the inner mass of cells of the embryo, the inner mass of the cells of the embryo, ये जो था हमारे पास the this was the morula में जो हमारे पास the cells they arrange themselves in two layers. One is the outer layer of trophoblast cells, and there is inner mass of cells. The cells of this inner mass, they differentiate to form first of all two layers, ectoderm which is the outer layer and the endoderm which is the inner layer, and later on another layer, a middle layer, that is mesoderm. It develops between the ectoderm and endoderm. The process of the formation of three layers, ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm, in the inner mass of cells. This is called differentiation. Now, the fate of these layers is fixed. That is, in the that information is with the genes कि कौन सी लेयर से कौन सा ऑर्गन, कौन सा टिश्यू या कौन सा ऑर्गन सिस्टम डेवलप होगा. विच लेयर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, which layer will give rise to the digestive system, eyeball, retina, and so on. So these three layers ultimately they give rise to all the tissues and organs. And it is important to note here that the cells of inner mass, they also contain some cells which are called the stem cells, and these stem cells, they have the ability or they have the potential to give rise to all the tissues and organs. That is why these cells, these are stored they are cryopreserved at very less temperatures, and for the future use in case of any disorder, genetic disorder, or any other disorder. Now, there is a question after the formation of organs. Yeah, what are the major features of embryonic development at various stages of pregnancy? कौन कौन कितने ड्यूरेशन के बाद किस किस ऑर्गन की फॉर्मेशन हो जाती है. Now, human pregnancy, as we know, it lasts for 9 months, or this is approximately 273 days. There is a question in NCERT, what is this gestation period in cats and dogs? In cats and dogs, this duration gestation period is almost same, that is 58 to 68 days, and in elephants, in Asian elephants, the gestation period is 18 to 22 months, and in African elephant, it is 22 months. Let us see the pregnancy duration and embryonic features. यानी कितने टाइम बाद कि कौन कौन से ऑर्गन की डेवलपमेंट हो जाती है. आफ्टर 1 month of pregnancy, embryo's heart is formed, and these heart sounds, they can be listened with the help of a stethoscope. And heartbeat की formation of heartbeat is the first sign of the growing fetus. By the end of second month of pregnancy, the fetus, it develops limbs and digits. By the end of third month, or we can say the 12 weeks, or after the completion of first trimester is 3 months, first 3 months, the major organ systems, they are formed. For example, the limbs and external genital organs. During the 5th month, the first movement of fetus is seen. Before the 5th month, there is no movement in fetus, and it is during the 5th month of pregnancy that first movement of fetus is seen, and there is appearance of hairs on the head. By the end of second trimester, or after completion of 24 weeks, the body becomes covered with fine hairs. The eyelids, they separate, and eyelashes are formed. By the end of ninth month, the fetus is fully developed and it is ready for delivery. That is, it is ready to come out of the mother's body.